Well, a very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. This is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
On this most perfect evening for a game of football, conditions are absolutely splendid, and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the shot's on! And it's Pepe. Loose. A real chance to break. And that's been won straight back. And he heaves it forward. Arsenal have it back and they can go again. Turan. For Pastathopoulos. Now it's Aubameyang. Tierney looking to get on the end of this. Goes for goal! In again. In he goes again! He's got away with one there. Popper. Rashford. It's a loose ball. Luis plays it forward, and it's Lacazette. Now it's Aubameyang. It's Pepe! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Pepe really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Towering header! Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Pogba tries lifting it over. Shoots! Goal! Manchester United! There is the breakthrough! Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
James is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Manchester United get themselves into the lead.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Guntuzi. Luis Tries to get it forward quickly. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Now it's Lacazette. Aubameyang. He's got through. Can he finish? Aimed long and direct. And it's Pepe. Pepe! And that really should have... Now it's Martial. Martial takes the long option. Aubameyang. And it's James. Out wide to the right. Shaw. Socrates can hoist it clear.
Rashford really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Maguire positions himself well and cuts it out. Keeper goes long. James. Rashford! It's broken loose. He's done very well to get to that.
Rashford simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Great leap! Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. Manchester United glad to have a one-goal lead at this point, but you have to say things could have been very different.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Manchester United are in at half-time with a slender one-goal lead. And the game has already resumed here. Manchester United carrying a one-goal lead. Tierney, Mesut Ozil, Thuram. He's picked him out, heads it! And he gobbles up the chance! Offside.
His delight very short-lived. The referee's assistant did have his flag up. It might have been close, but it was correct.
Disappointment and relief on either side, nothing doing. De Gea sends that a long way. James. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. He'll have a go. Oh, great save, real class.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
And it's hoisted clear. And it's Martial. That is terrific skill. Up to meet it! Good delivery, but no joy.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Arsenal are leaving men forward, threatening to break.
Well, if they're not putting the work in by getting back, they have to deliver with this tactic.
Pogba. Shaw. Pepe battles to win it back. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. And it's Guendouzi. Arsenal being made to look sloppy in possession here. Now it's Aubameyang. Well, there's going to be a change now with the ball out of play.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Wan-Bissaka. Mkhitaryan. Played into space out wide. Up for the header! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Lacazette sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
So, the manager making the last of his changes. And that's been levered clear. Going through. Luis goes looking.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Fires it in low. Fence has got rid of that.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. And it's Pogba. Pogba, he's got the ball, he's got the space. Luis knocks it away. Now it's Martial. Forward it goes. And the counter is on.
Well, what we're witnessing now just goes against the grain. They're not going to get back into the game like this.
Look, with time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
And he's straight offside. And that is that. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal.
Yeah, clean sheets and hard grind will help you go places, and they have a resolve that'll envy many.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin. That's all we have time for. Good evening to you.